Hey, what's up, guys? It's Xeba HD here, and today I'll be reviewing the We the People Envy 2012 edition. Now, this is like the custom We the People bike. Alright, so let's start from the front. We've got some We the People Envy bars. Very nice. They're massive. We've got Eclat grips and Eclat bar ends. Also very nice. Okay, we've got the We the People stem, the signature stem. Okay. Now we've got Envy forks, We the People Envy forks. And then obviously we have the We the People custom made frame, 2012 edition. Okay, we've got some really nice Eclat tires, very grippy. They're big and thick, so no punctured tubes. We've got an Eclat rim, Eclat spokes, I'm pretty sure, and an Eclat front cassette hub. And I think it's like a female. You can take it out for an allocation, something like that. I'm running Eclat brakes, so I don't know. They've held up. I took it for a spin yesterday at a Gungahlin skate park. It's in Canberra, and heaps smooth, right? I think it's like 10 point something kilos. Very light. Okay, so we've got Eclat cranks, and what I like about them, it's got the hole through it, and plus they're very strong. They're not like the Sec Truss, I think it is, that they have the pinch things up here, very vulnerable to break. Alright, we've got Eclat pedals, nice. 26 teeth sprocket. Eclat seat, very comfortable. It's a pivotal seat, by the way. Alright, so we know the tires, and Eclat cassette hub, the back one, I don't know what it's called. And we've got Salt Plus chain. Yeah, this is a 21.25 one, bike. Very light, like I just said. Extremely light. Alright, and I'll do the hub sound for you hub junkies that love listening to it. Alright, sweet. Subscribe for more BMX edits, Call of Duty trick shotting, stuff like that. Alright, sweet. Laters, catch ya.